Have a good one, guys. See, everyone's happy, even if you create a traffic jam, right?
Yes.
Flying J lifted van crew. This is what a pilot Flying J shower looks like. It's $18 now. It was $12, so remember that in 2024. So you have your own toilet, big shower. I'm wearing clothes. I'm not wearing a thong. No debauchery on my channel. I got to where I am by being honest. I'm watching corn. John camps with everyone. Including Jeep drivers. You don't need a lifted van to join us. Flying J lifted van crew and a lowrider. What's going on with this lowrider here? Something special going on with this lowrider. Look at that fender. Three of these things are not like the other. I'm at the Honda Element meet right now. A couple of my friends. I led Stefan out to Fonts Point in Anza Borrego. He wants to camp out here tonight. So I said, let's do it, man. I'll lead you out here. If you go look that way, buddy, you can see the canyon. Yeah, buddy. There's the Raptor lights. Oh, that's a good one. You guys get to hear some V10 right now. That's pretty impressive. Oh man. Oh, he ripped up that.
Yeah, I know.
Here we go, watch this. V10. Easy money.
Oh my gosh.
There's my microwave.
I know. Did you break something with that?
Nah, I bounce it around all the time. Tornado lifted van. Hanging out in Anza Borrego. We're gonna do some off-roading, but it's 108 degrees today. So we're gonna check out the animal sculptures, 130 of them. I'm gonna see how many I could find. Here's the main sculpture right here. It has its own address, the serpent sculpture. Two more right here. This looks good. A really good job, really clean van. So there it is right there. 2-inch Ford Parts 1 spacer lift. Bombay Beach. Population 295. A sign from the 1960s. Visit Bombay Beach. Hanging out at Slab City right now with a new friend, Enyaz, on YouTube from Arizona. Jose PhD 27. Known him for like 13 years. So it's cool to be out here with these guys. Enyaz, man, I gotta visit you in Arizona. We gotta do some kind of Arizona hangout someday.